Good morning, Big B, anti-lawyer here in Las Vegas. There's Red Rock. We're at the practice rink for the Las Vegas Knights. Here my girls are on spring vacation, so brought them down for a quick little trip. But today I'm going to talk about insurance limits. So in Arizona, the law requires people to carry insurance limits on their car of $15,000 per person, $30,000 per occurrence. So what that means is if someone's in an accident with 1530, if they injure someone, that insurance company's got to pay that injured person no more than $15,000, and that insurance carrier has the obligation to pay up to the limits of $30,000. So when you're buying your limits, it's important to note that some people might not be carrying insurance at all, or they might be carrying minimal limits. So then if you're injured by someone else and they have minimal limits of $1530, what can result in obviously there not being enough insurance to cover your injuries. So the way you protect yourself is by paying the extra premiums through your insurance company and getting more than $15,000, $30,000. So you can get $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, $300,000, $250,000, $500,000. And then when you buy those limits through your insurance company, by law, your insurance company has to offer you the equal amount of limits or less in underinsured or uninsured coverage. So what that means is if someone doesn't have enough insurance to cover you, then you have an underinsured claim, and you know that your limits are there to cover you. And so the more you have, obviously, the more likely you'll have to cover it. And likewise, if the people have no insurance, then you would have an uninsured claim through your carrier. Now, a lot of people always think that they have all the coverage they need, and they really don't. So it's important to look at your coverage and see if you have underinsured coverage, UIM coverage, or uninsured coverage, UM coverage. The other thing you want to check out is see if you have medical payment coverage, because that'll help obviously as well. Usually they'll offer them in like $5,000 or $10,000. And then the other thing is you want rental coverage, because a lot of times when your car's damaged in an accident, you can't get it fixed as quick as you like, and people obviously need their car to get to work and take their kids places. So if you have rental car coverage, then you know that you're going to be able to get in a rental car right away. So with that, I know it's a quick and dirty rendition of insurance limits, but if you have any questions, please feel free to post them on Facebook and I'll answer them. Everyone else who has their kids on spring break, good luck with that. And then check in a week, March 16th. I'll be doing another Facebook Live as always. Sorry for being late today. If you like the video, share it with your friends, and tag everybody you can in it. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. Have a good weekend. This is Big B, the anti-lawyer.